Hello, everyone. My name is Sean Tan. I'm the sales director for overseas market of Anderson, Taiwan. And this time in the Wood Taiwan show, we bring the latest version of the Stratus Pro full line integrate with Anderson MLS, the storage system. And also with the AGMVP, the latest Anderson own developed HMI interface. And with this interface, we can have a user-friendly operating the machine. And with the MLS storage system, we can load into like 4 different size, colors, thickness of the panels. So the customer operator can follow by their program and to load the panels automatically and for labeling and the nesting job drilling for their customer requirements.
Hello, my name's David Rothenberger, and I'm with LeaderMac USA, and we're at the LeaderMac Machinery booth at Wood Taiwan 2026. So we've got the opportunity here to show you a full line that we have implemented here. And what we're standing in front of is the FeedMac 31 vacuum destacking system. So what you'll have is you will have the material placed here on your pallets. Your vacuum destacker will pick up an entire row and place it on the lateral chain deck, from the lateral chain deck to your transfer feed table, and then into the OptiMac 623. So this is a 6-head, 9-inch width capacity molder that we're standing in front of here. This unit is equipped with HSK spindles and the Pro Set level of controls. So what this is going to give you, it is going to give you the quickest changeover time that is going to be available on the market. So the U-Power system is going to allow you to build in 1,000 profiles and 10,000 individual tools worth of storage. It's going to allow you to automate the placement of both the axials and the radial positioning on all of your spindles if you would like. And what you'll see, there are some additional features to help improve that changeover time even more. So if you look at the digital counters on your chip breakers and your pressure shoes, those do speak directly with the Pro Set level of controls. And that will tell the operator that once the feed beam and the spindle positions have been placed, there is going to be a direction indicator to tell them which position to change that knob to, whether it be clockwise or counterclockwise. And then once it's in position, you're going to see that LED change from red to green as it is now. And you're also going to get that information here on the operator's control panel. So a high level of precision that is used in the placement hardware. So it does utilize rotary encoders and ball screws. So the repeatability on the results of each stick after you do a changeover is absolutely on point. One of the major benefits of the Pro Set level of controls is we're able to capitalize on the M308 video measuring system. So whether the operator is regrinding their own high-speed steel knives or using a carbide insert bit, we're able to measure the radial diameter of that tool using an HD video image. You are able to build in your tooling and profile libraries right at this station. So this may sit remotely in a grinding room on the other side of your facility, and it will communicate directly with the operator's control panel here, where they're able to pull the parameters for any changeovers. So standard 6-head configuration on this unit, like we mentioned. So first bottom horizontal, inside vertical, outside vertical, first top head, second top head, and your second bottom head. So fully capable planing and profiling molder here. This is then going to be feeding your transfer table to the FeedMac 33 mechanical stacking system. So once that planing and profiling is done, you're able to tell the system how many rows wide and deep you'd like it to be. It will then rebuild those stacks for you, and then the facility is able to come through with their forklift, pick those stacks up, and take them into the next portion of the what would be delivery. So it's able to get on that pallet and go right out the door from there.
Hello everyone, my name is Alan. I'm from Nancy Machinery in China. Thank you for this chance for me to present Nancy edge bend machine in Wood Taiwan show. This time we bring the model item is MB671DNC, and this machine very specially is it can do very narrow pass. Minimum width is 35 millimeter, and with the speed 26 meter 1 minute. And this machine have full functions like permilling, 2 glue unit per mil, and PUR. And this one is the slow horizontal end cutting to minimize the scratching, rough trimming, fine trimming, and high-speed power rounding. This machine has 2 radius of scrapping. After that is glue scrapping and buffer. And this machine with top pressing and machine body all by steel, it can guarantee the machine feed panel very stable and straight. And this is one example you can check with very good finishing. And this machine is very good for the customer with all different kind of edge bending needs, with different size, and also with different glue like Dremel or PUR glue.
Hi, I'm from OAV and I'm representing OAV from Taiwan. We have this model Max 370M and we can give you some demonstration of this machine. This machine have a smart interface system. We have in this machine pre-milling, end cutting, corner rounding, top and bottom trimming, scrapping, and buffing. This model we are giving with the nesting feature. After this also, you can do the edge bending on this. So this is the best quality from Taiwan.
Hello, my name is Ethan Tu. I am the sales manager of CKN. My company is established in 1966 and it's been 16 years old. And in this show, we have the new products that with 1.3 meters wide planer and it's single side planer. So unlike the old planer that with the table movement like this is the old type is the table up and down. For the wide range, we have the head moving up and down like this. So it's the new feature, and then this machine can carry more heavy material, and with biggest up to 1.3 meters wide, and the length could be up to 3, 4 unlimited length for the in-feed, and also can do automatic transfer in-feed and down-feed because the wood is very heavy. So this machine can join with the automatic in-feed system and out-feed system. So it's very convenient like this. And then later on, I will then show you how this machine works and you see how smooth that in-feed is.